Learns. Now today we are going to solve the exercise of the Sheikh Chilli lesson. Okay. Now let's start the. We have learned the Sheikh Chilli lesson. Now today we are going to solve the exercise. Okay. Now let's learn new words. Simpleton means a foolish and silly persons. Okay. Examine to look at or consider something truly. Very near to we have to examine. Injured means hurt or wounded. Okay. Hospitable means showing kindness and generosity to visitors. Gingerly means cautiously, to sneak, to creep quietly. Occasionally, happening now and then. Okay? Occasionally means happening now and then. It is a new words you have to write in your notebook. Now let's another make sentences with. We have to take the words and we have to make sentence. Okay? First words is examines. We have to make sentence. Examines meanings we know here. To look at or consider something truly. Okay? Examine. He took the shoes in his hand to examine them more closely. Examines. Okay? Hospitable. The hospitable host of the bed and breakfast open in front of door for each her guest. Knife. Sheikh Chilli was a knife means frugals or simple person. Occasionally. Occasionally he stand and bark. Okay? Sentences you can make without this. Another text sentence you have to. Now let answers. Only we have to tick the correct answer. First question. Sheikh Chilli lived in a small. We know that Sheikh Chilli lived in small village. That village name is Panjam. One day Sheikh Chilli went to the bath. We know that. Where? In the river. We have to only take the correct answer. Every Thursday Sheikh Chilli went to market to buy sweets, food, vegetables and fruits. Okay, we know that vegetables and fruits. The bear had a very puzzled expression on its face, sad expression on its face, happy expression on its face. We know that when Sheikh Chilli offered to the bears carrots and vegetables, puzzled expression on his face. Just when Sheikh Chilli was about to sneak out, he saw a bowl of. When he went to the merchant homes or the house, he saw the full of the milk, bowl of milk. Sheikh Chilli was a cook, simpleton and hard-working person. We know that. Simpleton. Sheikh Chilli was a simpleton, frugal, foolish. Okay? Now, next. Give short answers. How did Sheikh Chilli treat the animals who visited his house? How Sheikh Chilli treat the animals who visited his house? Now answer. He treated both animals and man with the same respect and kindness. We know that. We have learned in that story. Okay? Now next question is what? Why did Sheikh Chilli feel the wetness behind his neck? Why? We know that. Because the dog was licking his neck, so that he feel wetness behind his neck. We have to write in short answer. In full sentence. Okay? Why did Mangur Ram rush back into the forest? We know that Mangur Ram returned to the forest. Why? Because Sheikh Chilli had left alone, so that Mangur Ram rushed back into the forest. Okay? Who was sleeping in the kitchen? We know that. Servant's daughter was sleeping in the kitchen. What did the girl do when Sheikh Chilli put the hot porridge on her hand? That time Sheikh Chilli full of the paddles pour into the girl's palms. What happened that time? The girl screamed loudly when she filled hot porridge into her. Okay? Screams loudly. चिल्लाई थी वो जोर से. Now this is your homework. Only you have to write answer yes or no. Okay? Yes or no में answer you have to write. Was Sheikh Chilli a very simple man? Did he have many friends? Was Sheikh Chilli cruel towards the animals? Was the girls hungry? Okay, now let me today we have stop here.